In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the COUNTIFS function in Microsoft Excel 2016. So the COUNTIFS function has to do with counting cells that meet multiple criteria. So the COUNTIF, leave off the S, the COUNTIF is for one criteria. The COUNTIFS will count multiple criteria, or count cells that meet multiple criteria. So the syntax for this equals COUNTIF, then we have criteria range 1, and the criteria that goes with that. Then we have the criteria range 2, and the criteria that goes with that. So it counts the number of cells within multiple criteria, and the range number that goes with that meets the criteria number. So let's go over to our spreadsheet, and we're going to go to cell H11. You'll see it says number of properties listed 60 days or more and list price reduced by 5% or more. So in the search for a function box, type COUNTIF. So we're going to go to our formulas. We're going to click insert function, and in this search box we're going to put in COUNTIFS, and you'll see it in the list, or you should see it in the list. Go COUNTIFS, click OK, and it's going to bring our function arguments box up. And so our first criteria range, we're going to have F5 to F16, because number of properties listed 60 days or more, and that's F. So F5 to F16. What's the criteria? So it should be greater than or equal to 60. Greater than or equal to 60. Our criteria range 2, we're going to select cells E5 to E16. E5 to E16. And our criteria 2, we're going to type greater than or equal to 5%. Greater than or equal to 5%. Then we're going to press tab, hit OK. And so there's two properties that are listed for 60 days or more and list price reduced by 5% or more. And that's how you use the COUNTIFS. The COUNTIFS is for more than one criteria.